In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your printer that is printing the blank pages and how to do the ink flush. Now in the previous video, I have told you how to do the printhead cleaning using the inbuilt auto cleaning method, and you can follow that method if your printer has ink in the ink pipes. If you lift this section, you will see inside of the printer the ink pipes are empty. That means it needs ink flush. But in the last video, because the ink was there, so we have done just the cleaning of the printheads. If you want to know how to do the ink flush, I'll show you in this video, and there is a proper method to do that so that you can save the ink. Normally ink flush takes a lot of ink. For doing the ink flush, the ink level must be at the last level. So first step is to switch on the printer. Go to the display panel. Click on the setting icon. Scroll and select maintenance. Scroll and look for the ink flush option and press OK. Select all colors. Once you start the process, we cannot stop it. So press OK. Now confirm yes, and again select yes and press OK. It's gonna take around 8 minutes for that. Now lift this section to check the movement of the ink. The ink has started to move. Once all the bubbles are gone and the clear ink is there, so we have waited for around 10 seconds. Because ink has already gone into the printheads. Now we cannot switch it off from the main switch here, so we have to unplug the power cable. So I'll just do that. Wait for this sound to finish. This is just the cycle where it flushes the ink. Now we can unplug it, just to prevent the loss of the ink. Close this chamber. Plug in the power cable. Switch on the printer. Wait for the printer to start. It will take a couple of minutes for that. Go to the printer display panel. Because we have interrupted the ink flush, that's why it's gonna take a little bit longer to start the printer, and it may take longer for print first page. Let's print a nozzle check sheet. Click on the setting icon, maintenance, and nozzle check. Because it's going to print first time after the ink flush, it will take some time. So here we can see it has printed the nozzle check sheet, and we can clearly see all the inks are working and they are clear. That is the best way to do the ink flush. It saves a lot of ink. You don't have to refill the ink tanks and you don't waste a lot of ink. It also helps to fix your printer if it's printing the blank pages. And for any other reason, if you are doing the ink flush, this system will help you to save it. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.